Imagine a world where the boundaries between reality and imagination blur, where the very essence of what we perceive is challenged. In this realm of enigma, the line between fact and fiction is tantalizingly thin, beckoning us to explore the mysteries that lie just beyond our grasp. What if I told you that such a world exists, hidden in plain sight, waiting for those who dare to delve deeper? This is not the stuff of science fiction, but a tantalizing reality that unfolds before us, inviting us to question the very fabric of our existence. In the shadows of this world, secrets, wonders, and questions abound, ready to be unraveled by those who seek the truth. So, will you take the plunge into this enigmatic universe and unlock its most intriguing secrets? Mobile surveillance system through NVR and mobile computing. A mobile surveillance system through NVR and mobile computing is essential for a variety of reasons, especially in today's fast-paced and security-conscious world. Here's why. Real-time monitoring. Mobile surveillance systems enable users to monitor their premises, assets, or any area of interest in real time. This is crucial for security personnel, business owners, and homeowners who want to stay updated on activities in and around their property, even when they are not physically present. Remote accessibility. With the help of mobile computing devices such as smartphones and tablets, users can access the NVR system from anywhere with an internet connection. This flexibility ensures that users can view live video feeds and recorded footage on the go, providing peace of mind and the ability to respond quickly to any security threats. Event notification. Mobile surveillance systems can send instant alerts and notifications to users' mobile devices in the event of suspicious activities or security breaches. This timely information empowers users to take immediate action or alert authorities, minimizing potential risks. Data storage and retrieval. NVR systems store video footage, making it easy to review past events. Mobile computing devices allow users to access and retrieve this footage remotely, which is invaluable for investigations, evidence collection, or simply for reviewing historical data. Scalability. Mobile surveillance systems can be scaled up or down to meet the specific needs of different users, whether it's a small business, a large enterprise, or a residential property. This scalability ensures that surveillance solutions remain cost-effective and adaptable. MAPL solution for mobile surveillance. MAPL mobile application platform for live streaming is a comprehensive solution designed to address the needs of mobile surveillance through NVR and mobile computing. Here's how MAPL provides an effective solution. User-friendly mobile app. MAPL offers a user-friendly mobile application that allows users to access their NVR system seamlessly. The app provides a clear interface for viewing live video feeds, playback of recorded footage, and configuring settings. Multi-device compatibility. MAPL is compatible with a wide range of mobile computing devices, ensuring accessibility for users with different preferences and operating systems. Secure data transmission. MAPL prioritizes data security by using encryption protocols to safeguard video feeds and sensitive information during transmission. This helps protect against unauthorized access and data breaches. Customizable alerts. MAPL allows users to set up customized alerts and notifications based on specific events or triggers, ensuring that users are promptly informed of any security-related activities. Scalable architecture. MAPL can be integrated with various NVR systems, making it suitable for both small-scale and large-scale surveillance deployments. This scalability ensures that MAPL can grow alongside the user's needs. In conclusion, mobile surveillance through NVR and mobile computing is essential for real-time monitoring, remote accessibility, and efficient security management. MAPL offers a robust solution by providing a user-friendly mobile app, secure data transmission, and scalability to meet various surveillance requirements. This combination ensures that users can stay connected and informed about their security environment, no matter where they are.